Freelancing online is an excellent way to find work, whether you're trying just to supplement your income or you want to create a full-fledged career by working on projects that you love. Forbes.com did a study and they estimate that there are over 56 million freelancers in the United States alone, and that number is only expected to grow. Globally, the average hourly rate for freelancers is almost $20 an hour. So this is an incredible opportunity for you to take the skills that you have, no matter what industry you work in, and put them to work for yourself so that you can make an amazing living for yourself and your family. Hi, my name is Jenna, and I'm excited to teach you how to leverage the UpWork.com platform into high-paying, consistent freelance gigs. The gig economy is only expected to grow. On UpWork.com alone, there are over 80,000 freelance jobs listed currently, with hundreds more added every single day. This course will walk you through everything from setting up your profile, populating your portfolio, submitting proposals, and communicating with clients. I even give you access to dozens of PDF pages outlining proposal templates and real-life communication that I use with clients to land high-paying work over and over again. I can't wait for you to join me in this course and launch your freelancing career on Upwork today.